Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window motor in a Toyota Corolla. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a 10mm socket, and trim removal tools. Begin by carefully removing any small trim pieces and screws that secure the door panel. Then, gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, disconnecting any electrical connectors and door handle cables. Finally, peel back the vapor barrier to expose the window motor and regulator assembly. Now, let's remove the old motor. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the window motor. Next, unbolt the window glass from the regulator. You might need to temporarily tape the window in the fully up position to keep it safe. Then, remove all the 10mm bolts that secure the entire window regulator and motor assembly to the door frame. Carefully maneuver and extract the old unit from the door cavity. With the old unit out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully insert the new window motor and regulator assembly into the door. Align it properly and secure it using all the 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them firmly. Reconnect the window glass to the new regulator, ensuring it's seated correctly, and tighten its mounting bolts. Finally, plug in the electrical connector to the new window motor. Before finishing up, temporarily connect your window switch and test the new motor to ensure it operates smoothly up and down. Once confirmed, reattach the vapor barrier, making sure it forms a good seal. Carefully align the door panel and press it firmly into place, engaging all the clips. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces, then perform a final test of your newly replaced window motor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.